Hi everyone, welcome back to my video. In this abstract video, I'm going to be doing some uh, colorful project. So I'm using like a grungy stamp for the background. Um, I'm using archival ink to stamp on that. This is another abstract video. So I'm using this watercolor book, which is like 6 by 6. Then I'm going to add different stamps in this. Now I'm adding some numbers and some kind of like a geometrical shapes in the background. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like button and leave your comments below. Now I'm adding some more different stamps in this project. This is another texture stamp. Then I'm going to use watercolor paint on that. This is like from Angora watercolor paints. If you don't have this transparent, you can use even inks like watercolor inks or acrylic inks also is fine. Um, but I'm sure everybody has watercolor paints. So I'm adding like three different colors in this, and then I'm going to splatter on the top. Then I'm going to dry this and then get ready for the next step. Now I'm using some this is more like a dye ink, and it makes it a little bit brighter, and I can add and adjust it if I missed anywhere and I want in that different areas. So I'm going to add these three different colors in this where I missed all those areas that I want it to be darkened. Now I'm going to use this die, which is like a checks kind of a die, and I'm going to add in this project. I'm first going to place it and see how I want it, and then I'm going to use like a liquid glue, and then I'm going to add this in this project. And the other piece I'm going to add on the other side. Then I'm going to use some white paint and then add some water, and I'm going to use like this fan brush, and I'm going to splatter it on the top. I should have done it before adding the dye on this, but that's okay. So I'm using the white paint. This brightens up also. Then I'm going to let it dry everything. Then I'm going to add little bit of stamp, like a number stamp on this, and so I'm using this dye ink pen on that, and then I'm stamping it. If you don't have this, you can still use a distress oxide or um, archival ink or distress ink, anything you can use. And then I'm using some small stamps to just give some extra texture in the background. Then I'm going to add this focal point. This is like a very colorful focal point. Then I'm going to add this coat, and then I'm going to outline it um, using my black pen. Then I'm going to finish this project. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it and got inspired. I will see you in my next video with the new ideas. Thanks for watching. Bye.